annual Utah AIDS Gala benefit.
Yes, ABC4's Kim Johnson was there tonight for the big event. And Kim, we know it's a lot of fun. It's kind of a big watch party for the Oscars, but it's also for a great cause. So how'd it go?
Oh, it was amazing, Kylie. You know, it's just wrapping up behind me now. They're doing the cleanup. But, you know, Hollywood wasn't the only place for red carpet tonight. The glitz, the glamour sparkled here at the Rail Center in downtown Salt Lake. It was all to raise money for a great cause and, of course, to watch the Oscars on the big screen. The gowns, the tuxes, the performances. No, we're not talking about the Academy Awards.
I'm very proud to be here. It looks gorgeous, and we're here for a gorgeous cause.
This is the 23rd annual Utah AIDS Foundation fundraiser. Utahns in their best dress and biggest crowns.
It's pretty heavy.
Are glamming it up for a purpose, to keep AIDS awareness front and center in Utah.
It's something that's very prevalent all over the nation, you know, but in Utah we don't see as high of rates of HIV per the population that we have, but that doesn't mean that it's something that doesn't concern our citizens.
But this is no ordinary charity event. It's also the largest Oscar watch party in Utah tonight, courtesy of the Oscar committee itself.
You get in touch with the Oscar committee, you kind of tell them what your case is, you tell them what the types of things are that you want to raise money for, and then they send you official programs and things like that that make it look official Oscar.
ABC4 is a sponsor of the Utah AIDS Foundation benefit, and while he may be no Seth MacFarlane, Chief Meteorologist Jim Kosick, along with anchor Kim Fisher, kept the guests plenty entertained. It's a glamorous way to watch the biggest award ceremony of the year and make a big impact in the community.
It's important to have events like this and to continue the discussion and the dialogue so that people know what an issue it is, and also so they can educate themselves and prevent the spread of HIV and AIDS.
And, you know, I have to say, a close second to Seth MacFarlane, that Jim Kosick. All right, well, this is the biggest fundraiser of the year for the Utah AIDS Foundation. The cool part is all the money raised here tonight stays right here in the state to benefit advocacy programs here in Utah.